No, actually I am just now coming out of the moon,
Correct, yes.
so I have not given a thought to it. Whenever the time comes, I've taken note of all the sentiments of people. That time I will decide.
Today,
Right
your
now.
presence in making
No, I have
your...
always been, when Bhavu has contested and filed his nomination, we have always come here. So today's presence is just normal presence.
Your
to support
well-wisher,
Bhavu.
your well-wisher already started social media campaign.
Yes, I've seen.
You are aware of it.
Yes.
You are taking it positively.
Well, I have to think about it.
Even some of your local supporters have openly said that you should contest. They have also asked your party president or requested them. So if your party puts a suggestion or in front of you, would you give it a thought or something?
No, as I have said, I am just now coming out of the running period. So right now I have not given it a thought. But when time comes, since there are people who have expressed their sentiments, I'll have to think about it. But as of now, I'm not fixed.